This is Solara's Scott Pilgrim vs. the World website. This is a fan site for this movie, and look how smart they were. So we've got this very tall image, and in the video we show, just do the plot summary right here. But Solara noticed that that wasn't quite enough, so they added a cast list, which is so nice because it fills out this tall section to the right of the image, making this website feel complete. And so many characters. Awesome job, Solara. Here we have Bingle Bob's Underwater Adventure. So we can jump and touch the bubbles, and this game is just a lot of fun. So we can double jump to get up. Oh, come on, let's go, get up there. Oh, can I upgrade my jump power? Okay, I don't know if the button's doing anything, but fingers crossed, the button did something. Yes, upgrading jump power totally works. Okay, so now I gotta get through this maze. Oh, I've gotta film the rest of the video. Play these levels, they're awesome, Dylan. Amazing job. Here we have Samantha S1's Pizzeria. So the beauty of this project is that you don't just pick the toppings. You start where everybody starts, with the dough. So I'm gonna go with sourdough. And I don't want to do double dough, so I'm not going to add more dough. And then I can choose my sauce. I've got to add chocolate sauce. Okay, so chocolate sauce. And then I can add more sauce. Yes, I want to add Alfredo sauce to my chocolate sauce pizza. That sounds disgusting, and I need it in my life. And then we go through and pick the type of cheese. This is awesome, Sam. You did an amazing job going above and beyond on this. Great work.